Start by cutting 2 medium-sized spaghetti squash in half lengthwise, which is about 4 pounds, and scooping out the seeds. Brush the inside with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and season with 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Place the squash cut side down on a baking sheet. Bake at 400 degrees for 40 minutes or until tender. In a skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 cup of chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 diced bell pepper. Cook until the meat is thoroughly browned. Stir in 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of basil. Allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. Season the mixture to taste with salt and pepper. In a large bowl, mix 1 cup of creamy ricotta cheese with a medium-sized egg, ensuring they blend together perfectly. Use a table fork to shred the inside of a fully baked butternut squash into thin, spaghetti-like strands. Layer half of the strands evenly in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Next, layer with the ricotta mixture, 2 cups of hearty meat sauce, and a generous cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Repeat these layers following the same order. To finish, top it with the remaining mozzarella and sprinkle 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese for added flavor. Bake at 375 degrees for 25 minutes or until the mixture becomes bubbly and acquires a golden hue. Subscribe to stay updated with our latest heartwarming recipes and daily doses of inspiration, ensuring you never miss out on the simple joys of cooking and eating with me.